Hey guys, it's Jenkins Lock. I'm Don. Today I'm going to try just testing, doing a mileage adjustment on this 2002. See if I can zoom in there. 2002 Monte Carlo. Right now the mileage is 215,776. Now, regardless of doing this, couple warnings here. If you're doing this to get a better price on your trade-in, you can get caught, and that's a federal offense. If you've taken your vehicle in anywhere to get an oil change, to get maintenance, a recall, anything, that all goes into a database. So when you go to sell this, and whoever you're selling it to, or the BMV or DMV, depending on your state, put in your VIN number and the mileage is way off. Say the last time you got an oil change, it had 200,000 miles on it. You sell it, and the BMV, it comes up with 100,000 miles. That's going to flag it. So the main reason you would do this is if for some reason your ECU screwed up your mileage, or if you had to replace your ECU or your dash, your speedometer. You would use this to correct it back to the actual mileage. So with that, I'm connected into the port down there. So got the key in the on position. We're on. So let's go to dashboard. Now you want to select where the car was made, not where you're at. So we're going to go America, Chevy, Monte Carlo. This is a 2002 mileage adjustment. So it's in kilometers. I've got this set to be an imperial or American, so I don't know why it's still showing us kilometers. So we're starting off at 347,110 kilometers. So let's make this just 300,000 even. Input value. Now all the gauges reset, but the mileage didn't change. Let's shut off. Nope. Alright, so let's try it again. Mileage adjustment. Okay. Let's go with the same. So there it. Alright, I'm going to call this a fail. Tried it twice. This is the only vehicle I have here at the house that the Xtool 100 Pro2 will pull up. So I'm going to call this a fail. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if there's any other vehicles you want me to try this on, and it actually is one of the vehicles listed, I'll give it a go. Appreciate you guys' time. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe button. I'll catch you next time. Thanks.